HeapAnalyticsReview. Watch before using. Heap is an advanced product analytics tool designed to help businesses track and analyze user behavior effortlessly. Unlike traditional analytics platforms that require manual event tracking, Heap automatically captures every interaction, clicks, form submissions, page views, without any setup. This means you get retroactive data, making it easier to analyze trends without missing crucial insights. Heap is ideal for product managers, growth marketers, and UX designers who need deep behavioral insights to optimize user experiences and drive engagement. One of Heap's standout features is auto capture, which records all user interactions without engineering effort. You can then define and modify events later without touching the code. This is a game changer for teams that don't have dedicated developers for analytics. Heap also provides funnel and retention analysis, allowing you to identify where users drop off and which actions correlate with long-term engagement. The Journey Visualization tool gives a clear picture of how users navigate your product, helping you find friction points and optimize flows. Heap's data science layer automatically surfaces hidden patterns and anomalies in user behavior, something other analytics tools often require manual querying for. This enables teams to make data-driven decisions faster. Additionally, Heap integrates seamlessly with major tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Segment, and Amplitude, allowing you to sync data across your stack. The biggest advantage? Speed and accuracy. Since Heap tracks everything from the start, there's no need to wait weeks or months to collect data. You can define events instantly and analyze past interactions, making Heap perfect for agile teams that need real-time insights. However, Heap does come with drawbacks. The auto capture feature can generate a large amount of raw data, which might be overwhelming without proper filtering. Some users report a steep learning curve, especially when setting up advanced reports. Additionally, pricing can be on the higher side, making it less ideal for small businesses with tight budgets. Verdict: Heap is a powerful, no-code analytics solution for teams that need deep insights into user behavior without relying on developers. If you're looking for instant, retroactive, and highly detailed analytics, Heap is worth considering. However, if you prefer a more straightforward tool with simpler reports, alternatives like Google Analytics or Mixpanel might be better suited. Would I recommend Heap? Yes, but only if your team is ready to invest time into learning it and leveraging its full potential.